The Trail Task ADV chain tool from Motion Pro is a light and super compact chain tool for adventure touring and long distance trail riding. The complete tool weighs only 8 ounces. The tool will break 520, 525 and most 530 chains and master links with up to widths of 20 millimeters. In this video we're going to demonstrate breaking a chain on the side of the road using this chain tool. To get started we used our popular MP tool to remove the chain guard. To get started with the chain breaking process, we will take the chain tool and retract the body bolt and drive bolt. Open the dovetail closure and place the chain tool over the chain. Make sure to align the body bolt and drive bolt against the chain pin. We'll take a 14mm wrench and snug up the body bolt against the chain. Using the provided steel rod handle for leverage, you can now break the chain using the drive bolt and a 14mm wrench. As you start to tighten the drive bolt, you will need to apply force. After a few turns, this should free up and be easy to turn as you drive the chain pin through the chain. Once complete, you will retract the body bolt and remove the chain tool. You will then find the chain pin inside the tool body of the chain tool. In this particular case, this chain has a riveted link. We broke the chain tool at a random location, so in this case we'll have to drive out 2 chain pins to properly allow the chain to meet with the new master link. We will now repeat the chain breaking process to remove the other pin from the chain link. You can pull the chain away from the sprocket to break it away from the bike. To complete the process and mate the chain, we will install a new clip-style master link. This master link contains a press-on side plate, so we will show you that feature of this tool. Push your new master link through the chain. With the new clip-style master link, we will need to press on the master link side plate. We will now show you how to set up the tool for this function. Retract the body bolt and drive bolt. You will retract the lower body bolt on the chain tool. Place the tool over the chain with the side plate in place. Snug up the lower body bolt against the side plate, and you will alternate between the chain pins using half or 1 turn on each pin to evenly press on the side plate. Repeat this process until the master link side plate is evenly pressed on. Now keep in mind that Trail Task ADV chain tool will not rivet master links. The chain tool is intended to break chains and press off or on master link side plates. We will now install our clip for the master link. To rivet a chain, whether that be a hollow nose or solid nose master link, we recommend our Motion Pro PBR chain tool for this process. As we rotate the wheel, you can easily see the original riveted link on the chain marked with red paint. The tool construction includes a tough and strong machined 6061 billet aluminum body with a hardened steel thread insert on the body to provide extra strength and durability when breaking chains. The Trail Task ADV chain tool was designed to be a lightweight solution for easily removing your chain if necessary on the side of the road or the trail. We recommend checking your wheel alignment and chain tension after a chain procedure has been performed. For all of our chain tools, see motionpro.com for more.